Have you ever noticed how Samsung always surprises us just when we think we know what's coming? Well, this time they might completely flip the script. For the last 2 years, Samsung has been launching its fan edition phones in September or October. But this year things could be different. The upcoming Galaxy S25 FE might actually arrive earlier than expected, and that's creating a lot of buzz. Just recently, Samsung held a major meeting to discuss their financial plans and upcoming strategies. During this, the head of Samsung's mobile division, Daniel Araujo, hinted that in order to keep sales strong, the company plans to bring in special promotions and launch the S25 FE sooner than usual. This means we could see the phone as early as the end of August or in the very beginning of September. So, if you're planning to upgrade your phone, it might be worth waiting just a little longer for this one. Now, why launch it earlier? The reason is pretty interesting. Samsung is changing its lineup, and the regular Galaxy S26 phone won't be making a return. Instead, they'll be replacing it with a Pro version that packs more advanced features. To fill the gap left by the basic Galaxy S model, Samsung is pushing the fan edition forward, and the S25 FE is shaping up to be a bigger phone with some solid upgrades. So what makes the S25 FE exciting? Let's start with something cool. It supports the brand new key-to-wireless charging standard, the same one we saw on the S25 series. But there's a catch. While it does support Key 2, it doesn't have magnets built in. That means if you're planning to use magnetic wallets or snap-on chargers, you'll need a magnetic case. It's a little inconvenient, but at least the phone is still compatible with the latest charging technology. Another big highlight is the new One UI 8 software. You might have seen it recently at the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and now the S25 FE could be the very first bar phone to run it. This definitely gives it an edge over other Samsung flagships. But, of course, there's one thing that may still worry some fans: the processor. The S25 FE is expected to come with the Exynos 2400 chip, which hasn't received the best reputation because of its performance history. However, since the S24 series is also powered by the same chip, we already know it handles daily tasks and even heavy gaming fairly well, though it may not always be flawless. Moving on to the cameras. There's a nice upgrade in the front camera department. The S25 FE will likely feature a 12MP selfie camera, just like the other S25 models, which is a step up from the previous FE's 10MP shooter. As for the rear cameras, not much seems to be changing this time. When it comes to the display, Samsung continues to shine. The phone is expected to feature a 6.7-inch FHD Plus OLED flat display with a 120Hz refresh rate. And honestly, when it comes to displays, Samsung rarely disappoints, so there's nothing to complain about here. Now about the launch date, reports are pointing towards a release in September or October. While many fans expected to see it showcased at Samsung's Unpacked event alongside the Galaxy Z Fold series, it looks like the company is planning to keep it separate this time. So, that's everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 FE. It's shaping up to be a phone that looks and feels premium, brings in exciting new features like One UI 8 and a better front camera, and still manages to stay more affordable than the main flagship models. Even with the Exynos chip, it should perform well enough for everyday use. If you've been searching for a phone that feels like a flagship but doesn't burn a hole in your pocket, the S25 FE could be the perfect option. What do you guys think about this upcoming Galaxy S25 FE? Do you see yourself buying it when it drops? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'll be back soon with more exciting news.